Student, welcome to video lecture of class 11th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now I start your first chapter is set. This is your sixth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about set and its two forms, set builder form, rooster form. Also discuss some question related to this. Also we discuss some types of set, finite set, infinite set, empty set, etc. Also, we discuss some operation of set related to union of set, intersection of set, difference of set. After these operations, we continue here. Complement of a set. What is complement of a set? Now here, let U be the universal set and A be the subset of U. First of all, we take U as a universal set and A be the subset of U. Then complement of set A is the set of all element of U which are not element of A. It's denoted as A dash. That means what is complement of set? Complement of set is a that set which have element of only U, not element of A. If here written as B is a subset of U, then what is complement of set? Then complement of set B is that set which have only element of U, not B. For A, it's also defined as here A dash is equal to X such that X belongs to U and X does not belong to A. This can also be written as here A dash is equal to U minus A. In Venn diagram, this can also be figured out. This rectangle show that universal set and this circle show that set A. Now A dash, this shaded region show that the A dash. That means here all the element taken as this universal set but not taking the element this set A. This cleared out one examples. Now example is let U is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, capital A is equal to 2 3, B is equal to 3 4 5. Find A dash and B dash and A dash intersection B dash. Now first of all A dash. A dash is equal to, we know that in above, U minus A. If B dash then U minus B. Here A dash then we written as U minus A. This is U, this is A, and we discussed in previous lecture what is difference of set. Here 2 3 and 2 3 are common, remaining element is 1 4 5 6, 1 4 5 6. This is A dash. What is B dash? B dash equal to U minus B. This is U, this is B, and common portion 3 4 5, 3 4 5 are switches. Remaining element 1 2 and 6, 1 to 6. It is a B dash. What is A dash intersection B dash? A dash, we know that A dash is this. What is B dash? B dash is this. Both element are written as, and common portion is 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So this common portion is intersection. This is 1 6. These three questions are written as this form, and these questions are represented as a Venn diagram in given below. Here first question is, this is set A, this is set B, and this is universal set. Here set A element have 2 3, 2 3 is belong set A, 3 4 5 is set belong to B, and universal 1 2 3 4 5 6 all element belongs to this. Now A dash result is 1 4 5 6. Now here 1 4 5 6 are shaded but set A are not shaded. This is the result of A dash. What is B dash? This is the B dash, means 1 2 6, 1 2 6. This element are shaded but set B is not shaded. This is the result of B dash. Similarly A dash intersection B dash, this result is 1 6. So 1 6 only are shaded and A and B are switches, not shaded. This can solve by this Venn diagram and discuss this complement of set. Also discuss with some other questions related to in this chapter. Practical problem on union and intersection. This is the particular form in this chapter, that is for any two set given as a format this form, for any three set given format this form. For any two set A and B which are finite, this is n A union B is equal to na plus nb minus n A intersection B. This is called as a number of element in A union B, number of element in na, number of element in B, and this is number of element in A intersection B. For any three set ABC which are finite, the format is given below. and A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus N A intersection B minus N B intersection C minus NA intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C. This is the same behave as a number of element in A, number of element in B, and similarly. Using this you can solve your one question and clear that. One example is X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, X has 28 elements, Y has 32 elements. How many elements does X intersection Y have? Given that X has 28 elements, so written as Nx is equal to 28. Y has 32 elements, written as Ny is equal to 32. This union have 50, so we written as Nx intersection X union Y is equal to 50. How does element X intersection Y have? So he written as question mark. Using above format, N A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus N A intersection B. In place of A and B, we utilize here X and Y. So X union Y here 50. Na means Nx equal to 28. Nb Ny means 32. And this is for finding N X intersection Y. Solving this we get N X intersection Y is equal to 10. That means X intersection Y having 10 elements. This is the format of this particular form of question. Using this lecture you can solve your homework. Let U is equal to 1 2 3 dot 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 10, 1 to 10 elements in set U. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 2 4 6 set. Capital C is equal to 3 4 5 6. Then find first one is A dash, that is complement of A, B dash. Third one A union C whole dash. Fourth one B minus C whole dash. This four question you can solve using this lecture. Also try your exercise. Thank you.